Oh, Agatha, Agatha, say that you love me and that you'll stay with me always. Oh, Agatha, tell me that you're thinking of me each moment, each hour, each day. Oh, Agatha, I know I'm only a plumber, a trade none too highly esteemed. But when you are with me, my winter is summer, such happiness I only dreamed. Oh, Escott, my sweet little plumber, but heavens, what depths you have plumbed. Though I'm just a housemaid, not smarter nor dumber, and yet to your charms I succumbed. Those long conversations went on till all hours, your deep interest in my work. And I told you all about Appledore Towers, and told you my boss is a jerk. Oh, Aggie, I must raise my head from your breast now. The morning light steals across the sky. Oh, Aggie, it's time for us both to get dressed now, as I bid your body goodbye. For here in this garden of Appledore Towers, the dog safely locked in the shed. This garden of Eden, midst bushes and flowers, an old laundry sack for a bed. Oh, Escott, I promise to love you forever, or until this evening at least. Though you're not the first man to sample my treasures, at 75 counting ceased. Your questions concerning my master, dear Escott, I've sworn not a creature to tell. Please hurry, love, here let me button your waistcoat and straighten your Escott as well. Oh, Agatha, darling, we really must hustle. You're due in the kitchen at 6. Oh, Agatha, dear, let me help with your bustle. If you're late, you'll be in a fix. Remember to lock up the dog for this evening. I may be a trifle delayed. Now give me one last kiss as I take my leaving. The plumber in love with the maid. The plumber in love with the maid.